Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you one of the cheapest homes in Windsor, Ontario. Welcome to 1673 Francois Road. Today we're going to show you this very affordable home in a very nice area, which is East Windsor. We have the location by itself is amazing. We also have David Maxwell Public Elementary School right in front of this home, which is only you have to cross, your kids need to cross the street so they can go to their elementary school, which is something awesome to have when you have kids and their elementary school right in front of you. Other than that, the location is basically close to all amenities, shopping centers, and bus stop and everything. So this home is basically, it does not have a driveway, but there is a street parking. And if you are planning to make your own driveway, just like the neighbors are doing, maybe you can get permission from the city and you can concrete all of this space to have your own driveway beside your house. And I think it's something very, very unique to have. Or you can do when you buy a home like this, you have your own driveway. So basically, this is the house from the outside. It's a small house, but again, the price is very affordable, and also the area is one of the most important things when it comes to buying a family home or even investment home for your own. So let's go and see the inside. So basically, this is the entrance of the home. We have a spacious living room with an open concept to the kitchen, fully renovated, which is great. Basically, this is all furnished. This is all the staging, which shows you the space, exactly how it looks when you have your own furnitures. And we do have a very big window here on your living room, which is very bright, honestly. We're not opening any lights right now, but it's so bright. And the floorings, the kitchen cabinets, the windows, and even the appliances. These appliances are all new appliances, and these are all brand new cabinets, which is something very great. You have good area, 3 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, and also fully renovated in a good area for only $350,000. So let's go and check it out from the other side. So basically, I love it. Like, I love the space. Saif, what do you think? Like, it's an open concept from the kitchen to the living room, and I think that makes the living room very big and spacious, and you can put a lot of stuff. I think simple furniture will make it even better.
Exactly, and I really agree with you, Sarah, because sometimes when you walk inside like a smaller houses, they are very tight and there's no space for the living area, the dining table. And I like the fact that they have used the whole living area here and made it open concept with the kitchen. So I think that's really smart, and the house looks open from the inside.
And I think choosing the furnitures is something also very important when you're furnishing your home, especially if you have a little bit tight areas. Using a simple, unique pieces would make it even look neat. So from the other side, we have our first bedroom, which is on the main floor. I know a lot of people prefer to have at least 1 bedroom on the main floor. If they have their parents, seniors, whatever the case might be, they prefer to have at least 1 bedroom on the main floor, which exists here in this home. We have the first bedrooms here and the other 2 bedrooms upstairs. From the other side, let's go from this side. We have a storage space right here. You have shelves, you can put here whatever you want. And from this side, we have our first full bathroom, which is good that we have it actually on the main floor. If you have guests coming here, friends, they don't have to go upstairs to the bedrooms. They can just go right away here. It's on the main floor. Something very nice, also renovated. And from this side, let's show them the backyard. It's actually a very nice backyard. Let's go check it out. So we have a spacious backyard, and also here we have a concrete for your own barbecue space if you want to put like seating areas as well. And we do have a nice shed from this side as well. I think this is a new shed. Saif, what do you think?
Sarah, I also see that they have a fire pit here.
It does.
I think they use it to plant and stuff, but definitely you can remove the plants and do some barbecue.
I think it's going to be a very nice seating area, especially like in winter time.
Sarah, I also want to add that fact. I believe they added brand new ceiling Like the roof is a brand new.
Yeah, I think so.
Looking
like I've done,
like a brand
they
new
actually
TV.
they have spent very good money to renovate the whole house from the outside, some from the outside and from the inside as well. We have this shed. It's nice to have shed as well, like especially when you have smaller homes, you can store a lot of stuff here. Other than that, we have a lot of spacious backyard in there. You can add a playground, whatever you want for your kids. And this is another exit door from the side that takes you to the like just like another exit door from the backyard to the streets. Now let's go and check out the bedrooms. Upstairs we have 2 bedrooms. This is our first bedroom. It's not bad. It's a good space for a single bedroom. And we have a big window as well, and the ceilings are also comfortable. You can walk very easy. There's nothing bothering you. And this is the second, and I think this is considered as a master bedroom. And again, you have a big window, and also the ceilings are not bad at all.
So I just want one thing, if you don't mind. Like the ceiling, because the reason why you see us see it here, because that's a half story. Like this is 1.5 story.
And honestly, Saif, the this half story is not bad. Usually they came very narrowed, like when you walk, you can touch the ceilings. But here, it's comfortable. You have a walk-in closet, I think 2. You have 2 closets, not a walk-in closet. You have 2 small closets for you and your partner as well. So now let's go and check out the basement. From the living room, we can enter to the basement. So this is the basement. Not much we can do here. We have a mechanic room, laundry room as well from this side, and from the other side we have another storage space, or you can consider it as another 4th bedroom.
So on that side, just want to add that there's a sump pump in the corner.
Yes, and that's actually great to have. This is safe. Let's show them. We have 3 windows. They are good size windows, but at some point you will have to upgrade all windows in the full house because they're kind of a little bit old. But we have actually a spacious area here. Like it's a good space. You can put it as like a second living room for your guests or maybe friends. If your kids have their own games, playground, whatever, you can add it here. And it's also like I don't smell anything bad here, honestly. Even like it's an older home, but it's still like the smell is pretty good here. I think this is like a new flooring right there. And the ceilings are also very high. And there's spotlights all over here. And basically this is another door that takes us to the mechanic room. This is just another entrance. And you can close it and lock it if you have kids and you don't want them to enter from there. So this is all what we want to show you for today. I hope you liked the video. If you guys have any questions, you can reach us out. Our number is going to be on the screen. And if you want to book a private showing for this one, you can give us a call. And if you want to watch more tours like this, just hit the link below. Have a good one.